Yeah, look, this is going to really be the hard yards over the next 3 to 6 months because you can see, as you pointed out, the vaccine adoption is slowing. We're at that sort of probably 40% adoption. We really need to be getting to 60 to 70% in this country. And more importantly, to really open up, we need the rest of the world to be successful in their vaccination rollouts. And as we know, that's been very spotty around the world. So first of all, the vaccine adoption needs to be consistent and higher, and that's probably going to take months and may even take us into next year. The good news, as you point out, is that treatments have gotten a lot better. As the pressure has come off our hospital system, as more and more research is being completed, we know how to use antivirals like remdesivir, antibodies. We even know how to use some of the anti-inflammatories. So the outlook for people being hospitalized with COVID is certainly better. We're not perfect. We're still having, unfortunately and tragically, 700 or 800 people, or 600 or 700 people dying each day, which is still an unacceptably tragic outcome from the pandemic.
It is, but because of these treatments, Jeff, it could be worse, could it not? And I understand. Listen, I think me being on the road with the vaccines, this show has probably given more optimism and hope around the vaccines than many others across any network. That aside, we've probably failed on the treatment side. So I wanted to have you on. I mean, Regeneron's got these treatments. You got Roche. They've got these treatments, but yet they're not getting hardly any attention, at least on the media side. Are they getting investor attention? And which ones do you think are the best right now?
Yes, look, the interesting thing is, so we deal with a lot of early companies, and I can tell you for sure there's a lot of capital going to early companies that are advancing very promising treatments that are even better than those that are available now. And those that are available now are pretty good. The problem, as you pointed out, is they're just not being used. Now, remdesivir, Gilead's antiviral, is probably being used in 50 or 60% of people who are hospitalized in this country. But use of remdesivir is pretty modest outside the US, and that needs to go up. But the antibodies, there's a catch-22 with the antibodies, which is they're sitting in hospitals, but their indication is for pre-hospitalized patients. And so if someone shows up and says they want the antibody, the hospital says, well, you're not sick enough to admit, so we can't give you the antibody. And so they just go round and round, and as a result, very little adoption. But some of those early stage companies, they're bringing forth antibodies that can be given in the doctor's office, can be given in the walk-in med clinic, and actually can be given with lower doses. So that will make a big difference. And they're just over the horizon, but even the current antibodies need to be used much, much more broadly, both pre-exposure and post-exposure when people first become symptomatic.
Yeah, and listen, no one's saying COVID's just going to, vanish over time. We get 60% vaccination. We still have 40% that are not vaccinated. To your point, variants, the vaccines aren't 100%. We're going to have other cases, even for people that are vaccinated. The math tells us that. So do you expect the treatments and the Gileads and the Regenerons to finally get more attention over the next few years?
Yes, look, I think that, as you point out, COVID is going to be here for a long time. This is a new pathogen that's coming to the human host. It's not going away. It's not going to miraculously disappear. We're going to be able to contain it at a fairly low level, but just in the same way that we as a species, we live with influenza, we live with other coronaviruses, we're going to live with this. So we have to figure out how to deal with it. One way is to have treatments in our toolbox. Those need to be in physicians' offices, in drugstores, available. If someone gets a referral or prescription, they need to be in hospitals. So treatments are going to need to be distributed, and there'll need to be a lot of them. Of course, we need to continue to improve our vaccines as well and have treatments for early stage as well as late stage disease.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.